the quiz board. Today we are going to guess the country by emoji. Are we ready? 40 countries. Comment your score below. I will write down my comment as well. Can we start? Okay, start the show. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Are you ready? Grab your pen. Guess the country. It's France. Now I think guess the country by emoji. It's Italy. So what could be? It is USA. It's a bit tricky. Japan. Now guess the country. What could be the answer? Australia. It could be Egypt. Guess the country. China. Guess the country by emoji. Brazil. Guess the country by new emoji. It's Canada. Guess the country between these emojis. It's UK. Round 2. Getting triggered. Guess the country by these emojis. Netherlands. Guess the country between these emojis. Turkey. Guess the country between these emojis. It's Switzerland. Guess the country between these three. It's Spain. Guess the country between three options. It's Germany. Choose anyone between these emojis. It's India. Guess the country between these emojis. It's Ireland. Guess the country between these emojis. It's Ireland. Guess the country between these options. It's Greece. Guess the country between these emojis. It's Saudi Arabia. Round 3. Travel expert. What could be? Guess the country. Mexico. Which country has these three emojis? It's New Zealand. Which country these three emoji belongs to? It's Argentina. Which It's South Africa. Guess the emoji by country. It's Thailand. Guess the country between these emojis. It's Vietnam. Guess the country between these emojis. Portugal. Guess the country of which emoji belongs to? Russia. Guess the country of which emoji belongs to? It's Belgium. This emoji belongs to Finland. Round 4. Genius Geographer. The geography emoji belongs to which country? Indonesia. This could be tricky. The emoji belongs to South Korea. The emoji belongs to Peru. The country belongs to Chile. The emoji belongs to Maldives. Let me guess which Romania. Let me guess which emoji belong to which country? Austria. What could be? I think it could be UAE. This country belongs to emojis Pakistan. What could be? I think it could be Jamaica. Thanks. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Subscribe for a new quiz every week. Thanks for watching this YouTube video.